Now, the third problem is integral log x dx. I told you already, if logarithmic function is there in integration by parts, we should not use the Bernoulli's formula. We have to use the general formula. So, again I want to use isolate. So, inverse function, logarithmic function, algebraic function, trigonometric function and exponential function. Here log x is a logarithmic function. Dx should be considered as an algebraic function. So, logarithmic function comes in the first priority and then algebraic function is the second priority. So, u should be taken as log x and dv should be taken as dx. So, du means derivative of log x with respect to x. So, du is equal to 1 by x dx. So, v is nothing but integral of dx. That is, integral of dx is x. Now, the general formula for integration by parts is integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. That is, u answer is log x, v answer is x minus integral v answer is x and du answer is 1 by x dx. So, this numerator x and denominator x can be cancelled. Here I am getting x log x minus integral of dx. So, what is the answer for integral of dx? Integral of dx is nothing but simply x. So, integral log x dx is equal to x log x minus x plus c. So, this is our required answer. Now, the fourth problem is integral x log x dx. Already I told you, if logarithmic function involves in integration by parts, you have to use general formula for integration by parts. Okay. So, here also isolate logarithmic function and x dx is an algebraic function. So, first you have to give the priority for logarithmic function and the remaining thing dv is equal to x dx. So, that should be taken as dv. So, u should be taken as log x and dv should be taken as dv. So, du is equal to, what is the derivative of log x? Derivative of log x is 1 by x dx. v is nothing but integration of dv, that is integration of x dx. So, v is equal to x square by 2. Here you should not put plus c because the integration is not getting over. After substituting in the formula only the integration will get over. So, no need to write plus c here. Okay, this is a part of integration. The sum is not getting over here. Okay. So, integration by parts formula is integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. That is, integral of x log x dx is equal to u answer is log x, v answer is x square by 2 minus integral of v answer is x square by 2 and du answer is 1 by x dx. Du answer is 1 by x dx. So, this numerator x and this denominator x one time will be cancelled and we have here x square by 2 I can take here before log. So, x square log x by 2 minus here one time x can be cancelled. So, x dx by 2. Again this 2 can be taken outside because it is a constant. Integral of x dx. Here x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2. Integral of x dx is equal to x square by 2 plus c. So, the integration is over. In this step, the integration is over. So, I am adding plus c here. Then, x square by 2 log x minus x square, 1 into x square is x square, 2 2s are 4 plus c. So, in this first term and second term, x square by 2 is a common thing. I can take outside and you have log x minus, if you have x square by 2 outside, here you will get 1 by 2 plus c. So, this is our required answer. Now, the fifth problem is integral x power n log x dx. This is also the function involving logarithm. Here, x power n dx is an algebraic function. So, u should be taken as log x, that is logarithmic function will comes in the first priority and algebraic function is the second priority. So, u is equal to log x, du is equal to 1 by x dx. Then dv is a thing x power n dx. So, what is v answer? Integral of x power n dx. Integral of x power n dx is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So, integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. The answer for u is log x. The answer for v is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus integral of v answer is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here du answer is 1 by x dx. Then here x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 I can take outside. Logarithm x is there. Just I am writing this term here and this term here. Minus here n plus 1 is a constant I can take outside. Integral of here x is in the denominator. If I am taking this x to the numerator, this will be x power minus 1. So, x power n plus 1 minus 1 according to the exponential rule. So, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Here I will get integration of x power n dx in the next step. So, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 log x minus 1 by n plus 1 integration of x power n dx. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 log x minus 1 by n plus 1. So, integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So, here x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 log x minus x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 1, that is n plus 1 whole square plus c. Then here in this 2 term I have x power n plus 1 and n plus 1 is common. Numerator x power n plus 1 is common. In denominator n plus 1 is common. So, I can take outside. So, if I am taking outside, the first term will be log x minus the second term will be 1 by n plus 1. So, plus c I have written. So, this is our required answer. Here, the next problem is integral x power 5 e power x square dx. Here, for my convenient, I am going to write this x power 5 as x power 4 into x e power x square dx. Again, this x power 4 I can write as x square to the whole square into x e power x square dx. So, this one I can take as a first equation. So, just we can look at this equation. If I take this x square as t, if I take this x square as t, then I will get t square e power t. T square e power t. Just I am going to take t is equal to x square. What is dt? dt means differentiation. 2x dx. So, I need only x dx answer because I want to replace x dx. I want to replace this x dx as something. This both I can achieve, but this thing, instead of this thing I want to substitute. So that I am going to take this 2 to the left hand side. This multiplication 2 will goes to denominator, that is dt by 2 is equal to x dx. dt by 2 is equal to x dx. So I can replace x square is equal to t and x dx is equal to dt by 2 in the first equation. So this x square to the whole square can be written as t square. This x into dx can be written as dt. This e power x square can be written as e power t. Therefore, equation 1 can be written as integral of t square. X dx can be written as dt by 2 e power t. So this 2 I can take outside, that will be 1 by 2 t square e power t dt. So again I want to consider this is a algebraic function and this is a exponential function. In this isolate, algebraic function comes in the first priority and exponential function will comes in the last priority. So I want to take t square as u. I want to take t square as u, and after getting u answer, you want to find out the first derivative, that is u dash, that is 2t, u double dash, that is 2. Then u triple dash no need to find because u triple dash will be 0. No need to find out. Once if you get the constant number in the derivative, we can stop our derivative till that. Here u double dash if you are finding means up to v2 you should find out. Okay, because the Bernoulli's formula involves u double dash into v2. Then dv is equal to e power t dt. Then v is equal to integration of dv. That is the integration of e power t dt. So v is equal to, what is the integration of e power t? Integration of e power t is e power t. Then v1 is nothing but again you have to integrate this v. V answer is e power t. What is the integration of e power t? Integration of e power t is again e power t. Then v2 I want to find out because u double dash I have. So v2 I need. Both are pair. Okay. v2 is equal to again e power t. Now the Bernoulli's formula is u dv is equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus dot 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 it will goes. So integration of t square e power t dt is equal to t square. U answer is t square. V answer is e power t minus u dash is 2t. V1 is e power t plus 2 into V2 is e power t plus c. Then I want to substitute in the second equation. 1 by 2 into t square e power t dt is equal to 1 by 2 t square e power t plus 2t e power t plus 2 e power t. So just like that I am writing e power t by 2 is a constant. That is in all the terms e power t is occurring. So I can take e power t outside. So t square minus 2t plus 2 plus c. So after getting the answer, I want to replace t is equal to x square. Therefore, e power x square by 2 into x square to the whole square minus 2 into x square plus 2 plus c is the answer. Again I can simplify e power x square by 2 x power 4 plus 2 x square plus 2 plus c. So this is our required answer.